Most 3 dangerous words in the whole fucking music business. You ain't heard? Snoop Dogg, that nigga Daz, Tupac. From where? Death Row's finest.
3 words to make a motherfucking heart burst. I rip the verse first, nigga, when I start to curse. Picture of black hurts, adversaries buried in they Sunday best. He blinked, died in the dark, my gun sprayed his chest. When will I die, nigga? We all die, so until I die, why must I ride on my enemies until they fry? Father, forgive them cause they not know. My Glock cock, nigga, drop when my shots flow. My definition of a thug, nigga, a multi-millionaire, started as a drug dealer. I love niggas open fire when I blast at you. Everybody dies, bad boy massacre. I laugh at you. Holler my name, I reappear like a genie, knowing no man alive can see me. Motherfuckers making problems, but they get what they deserve. Get destroyed with these 3 words. Motherfuckers, the world, feel the fury of the chosen man. Thug nigga, 10mm closing hand. Put him in my range, aim nigga, take 5. Watch him die, should've never fuck around when it's time to ride. Riding low down on one way, watch for gunplay. I hope we find true peace one day. Nobody cry when my dog dies, set him straight. AK automatic, be retaliated.
Didn't even call correct, the most feared duet since me and Elton.